Hey guys, this is just part two of this project I've been working on. Part two is not complete. The completion of this clock is in part three. So watch part three for the completion of this clock and watch the other remaining parts for the entire project. So thanks again for tuning in and let's move on. So guys, welcome again to Creative Designs by Clementine, and today I'm working on a project for somebody, and this person asked me to create a clock. I've never done this before. This is my first time, and so I'm going to do it in my own creative ways. Okay, so you can see here is the middle of the clock. And because I'm working with already assembled clock and not just the template or the mechanism that you bought, I have to find where the opening is and it will have it straightened up for you. So yeah, thought I'd throw that in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And now I'm going to trace my line. I want the outer part, not the inner part. So I think I'm going to put a few more tips. That's it. I have my center there. You can see the lines. So there you can see the cut. I've already cut it. You can see the hole in the middle there. So guys, I'm gonna go in now with my glue to seal this. You can see this is a little bit off, but that's okay because it's gonna be covered. So that will be corrected. But right now I'm going in with my glue. And I'm using this Lapage heavy duty glue to seal up this paper, and that's just it. This is just the first sealing to do. That other. So guys, I've already glued this using Lapage glue and hot glue. And I've already put the paper around it using also Lapage glue and tip with some hot glue. Now I'm going to glue this together. Just see my address. Make sure you have it there right. All the same. Okay. Oh, I think I have it there. So I'm going to use this tip. Okay. I'm going to use this tip and this tip and this tip to hold this in. So yep, I should know. And guys, if you have like big lumps of hot glue that dries on your project and you want to get it out, if it's flat, just get a pressing iron, a piece of paper, and you go on the excess glue that is there. Okay guys, and okay, you can see this, and the reason I'm using this is hard, is because this is where I'm going to put the hook for this clock to be hanged up. Products and materials that I work with, I just love Lowe's. So I got this paper from Lowe's over a year ago. I have over 3 rolls of different type of wallpaper, and I'll be using this one for this clock that I'm working on. For the surface of the clock, and I've already cut them, showing that I have the right measurement. It's not a big problem. I was able to trace it. Good there. You can see the circle there already. Hope you can see the circle. Okay. There. This part is lifting up, so okay. You can see the full circle now. So you can see, to keep that full circle in place, I tip it. You can see the tip, so I don't lose the measurement when I'm cutting and when I'm adhesing it. So I tip that. Okay guys, this is how I'm sealing up this journey. I'm using hot glue and also Wallpapering wood glue. I've already put in the Wallpapering glue. Now I'm going in with the hot glue. But you want to be very careful so your glue is not spilling up too much over the edges and overlapping and coming over on the smoother side that you want, that will be facing out. So you want to be very careful when you're putting this in, so your glue is not right at the edge and spilling out over the edges. You want to keep it concealed under here. You see that? It's a little mistake, but that is why you want to try to avoid, so you don't screw up your paper, because this is the surface of this clock. You want to keep it as smooth as possible. Okay, be careful when you pour a little bit of grease and get it out, because you don't want the glue melting on the surface, as I said. So okay, it's all sealed up. You can see a little effect of glue on it. That's the back. So it's double sealed up. I have it tipped and then also sealed up. So guys, I've already have my surface. I have both surface of this, the base of this cloth that I'm working with, and I've already cut them. As you can see, what I'm doing now is I'm putting tape on them, so I keep them together, because I'm going to cut in now. Okay, I want to get a center and the opening for this clock, so it's all laid out there. I have some excess on the side, which is very good, because that is like a leeway for mistake, for correction. So if you have to correct anything, you have that extra.